Hello, welcome to Sculpted by Amy. My name is Amy and today I'm here to give you a little insight into some of our Sculpted Hero products. We're all about good for you formulas, making makeup easier, multi-purpose heroes on the go. And today I'm going to show you how to create our signature sculpted dewy look, 5-minute face, nothing difficult, but totally elevates your look. So I hope that you enjoy.